Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fit and Steez, your go-to channel for all things health and fitness. Today, I'm revealing the top 10 foods that are guaranteed to keep you fit and feeling fantastic. Stick around because number 1 is a game changer that you won't want to miss. And trust me, these foods are not just healthy but also delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 10, we have almonds. These little nuts are power-packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're perfect for a quick snack to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Plus, they're great for your heart health. Just a handful provides a significant dose of vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants. Here's a cool tip. Almonds can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an ideal snack for everyone, especially those managing diabetes. And if you're feeling creative, try making your own almond butter at home. It's easy, delicious, and free from additives. Next up at number 9, we have oats. Oatmeal is the breakfast of champions. High in fiber and known to lower cholesterol, it's a great way to kickstart your day. Top it with fresh fruits and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and nutritious meal. Did you know oats are also packed with beta-glucans? These boost your immune system and improve digestion. And if you're gluten sensitive, oats are a versatile and safe grain to enjoy. For a fun twist, try overnight oats. Just soak them in milk or a dairy-free alternative, add your favorite toppings, and you have a ready-to-eat breakfast in the morning. Sliding into number 8, spinach. This leafy green is a nutrient powerhouse. Low in calories but loaded with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. Toss it in salads, blend it in smoothies, or scramble it with eggs. Spinach is rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation. It's a super easy way to supercharge any meal. Plus, if you're not a fan of the taste, try adding a handful of spinach to your fruit smoothie. You'll get all the benefits without noticing the flavor. Coming in at number 7, salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it's fantastic for your heart and brain health. And it's a protein powerhouse. Grill it, bake it, or even enjoy it as sushi, it's always a win. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, enhance mental focus, and support joint health. Plus, salmon's high protein content aids in muscle repair and growth, making it a top pick for fitness lovers. And if you're looking for a tasty and quick meal, try salmon with a side of steamed veggies. You can even make a delicious salmon salad with mixed greens, avocado, and a light vinaigrette. At number 6, sweet potatoes. Delicious and nutritious, they're high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They also have a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes, making them better for blood sugar control. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, promoting healthy vision and skin. Whether baked, mashed, or roasted, they make a fantastic addition to any meal. Pair them with your favorite protein for a balanced and hearty dish. And for a fun snack, try making sweet potato fries. Just slice, season, and bake for a healthier alternative to regular fries. Number 5, quinoa. This superfood is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also gluten-free and high in fiber, making it a great rice or pasta alternative. Quinoa is packed with magnesium, iron, and potassium, essential for muscle and nerve function. Its nutty flavor and fluffy texture make it a versatile addition to salads, bowls, and soups. Try mixing it with some veggies and a light dressing for a quick and nutritious lunch. And if you're feeling adventurous, experiment with quinoa in your baking. Quinoa flour can be a great alternative to traditional flour. Coming in at number 4, berries. These little fruits are bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They're low in calories but high in flavor, perfect for a healthy snack or a topping for yogurt and cereals. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are especially high in vitamin C, boosting your immune function and skin health. Their high fiber content aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Add them to your morning smoothie for a refreshing and nutrient-packed boost. And don't forget about frozen berries, they're just as nutritious and can be a cost-effective way to enjoy berries year-round. Number 3, eggs. Often called nature's multivitamin, eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and healthy fats. Boiled, scrambled, poached, or baked, they're incredibly versatile. Eggs also contain important nutrients like choline, vital for brain health, and lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. Including eggs in your diet helps with muscle building, weight management, and overall well-being. Start your day with a veggie-loaded omelette for a satisfying breakfast. And if you're on the go, hard-boiled eggs make a convenient and portable snack. Almost there at number 2, Greek yogurt. Packed with probiotics for gut health and high in protein, it's a perfect snack or smoothie base. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, essential for bone health, and it's lower in sugar compared to regular yogurt. Its thick and creamy texture makes it satisfying and nutritious for any time of the day. Top it with some berries and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and healthy treat. And for a savory twist, use Greek yogurt as a base for dips and dressings. It's a healthier alternative to mayo or sour cream. And finally, at number 1, the mighty avocado. Loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and various important nutrients. Avocados are perfect for salads, toast, or smoothies. They're also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and provide vitamins C, E, K, and B6, along with folate and magnesium. The healthy fats in avocados support heart health and keep you satiated longer. Smash them on toast with a sprinkle of chili flakes for a delicious and trendy snack. And don't forget about guacamole, a party favorite that's both tasty and nutritious. And there you have it, our top 10 foods guaranteed to smash your fitness goals. Incorporate these into your diet, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, fitter you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health and fitness tips. Stay fit, stay healthy, and see you next time.